Philadelphia today, or this weekend. We drove down here. It took us about 2.5 hours. We're waiting for an Uber right now. Don't know where he is. A few months ago, I mentioned that I wanted to go see Jennifer Lopez perform her It's My Party concert. And we looked at tickets in New York and New Jersey, but they were outrageously pricey, so kind of gave up. And then last weekend we started looking, like maybe there is some other places we could get tickets. And Philadelphia actually had well, concert tonight, and the prices were okay. So we booked hotel and tickets and all that on Monday. So now we're here. We have been in Philadelphia before, so we're not going to do all the touristy stuff this time. We ate at this place the last time we were here, and I remember this awesome salad. So we got some brunch to start off our day in Philly. So my phone says right now that it's 37 Celsius degrees outside and feels like 43. What did I say in Fahrenheit? That was it's 99, feels like 109. 109? Is it 109? So it's pretty hot.
Here's the Independence Hall right in front of you.
Okay, so we're now getting closer to everything. For someone like me who's not born in America, I think it's kind of important to see places like this. Like, we've been in Boston, we've been in Washington DC, and now Philadelphia. And you get to see the history of your new country. This is my new country, I need to know about it. So this is the Independence Hall. That's where they signed the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution. I think both. And then in here is where the Liberty Bell is. I don't know. Don't really feel like going in.
See it from right there.
Unless you really want to, Jimmy. Yeah, it's
you can see the bell right there.
It's in there. I think I had footage from it before, though. I don't need to go see it again. Cute beer garden place.
What?
It's a cute beer garden place, this. We just spent some time in stores to cool off because it's pretty hot here. So now we're going back to all the stuff, the Independence Hall and the Liberty Bell and all of that. And within an hour we're going to take an Uber back to our hotel and chill, take showers because we're sweaty, and then concert tonight. They wanted us to pay $3 to go in here, but I'm just gonna look at it from here. Cheers, honey. We wanted to go to the Alfred's Alley, but there was like massive tourist groups there, so we decided to go to a bar nearby, and we ended up at this Irish pub. That's probably where all the locals go. It was a very interesting group of people, and there was a private party going on. The bar got packed. People were smoking inside. Someone tried to pay with a fake $100 bill. Everybody knew everybody. It was like I don't know. It was like sitting in some sort of like comedy movie. I don't know. It was very. I'm sorry. It was very funny. And now we're outside in the hot again, in the hot heat. Probably 100 degrees now. We're gonna do a second attempt to go to the Alfred's Alley, which is a very cute British looking alley. Yeah, so there was a sign before that said people do live here. There is a museum here though in one of them. But yeah, last time we were here, we were the only ones here, so of course it was a lot cuter. It's so steamy that the camera is getting foggy, but I hope this works. We're waiting for another Uber or Lyft or something to go to the stadium or a bar nearby or something. The concert starts in an hour, 5 minutes or something. So, got all ready. Got my new Marc Jacobs bag that I bought earlier today. And then we are ready for Jennifer Lopez. Neither of us are J-Lo fans, but I think it would be fun.
But we bought floor seats because you're not a fan.
we bought good seats. It will be a good show, I think. I think it's like the Madonna. Okay, I'm a Madonna fan more or less, but it's not really a concert. It's more of a show, and this is her 50th birthday tour party, whatever. So I think it will be fun. I'm excited. We're at a bar area next to the concert hall or the stadium and stuff. We've been here before for a hockey game. It's all ladies here. But we got some, we have crab fries. That was like the only food they had, and we got some Miller. We're getting pumped.
In case you didn't know, it's my birthday. Yes, it is. My name is your hero. Take whatever you want, baby. Anybody you
Good morning from Philly. I went to the gym. Now I got a coffee. It's very windy, so I don't know if anyone can hear me, but we're walking down to the water with all the old, what do you call it, ships, Navy ships. Wow, look at all that garbage. Ugh, I should clean that up. A lot of plastic. I don't know how hot it is yet, but it's pretty hot. We're a bit early, but we're gonna see if we can go in and eat anyway. So, Tony Luke's. Apparently that's like the second best cheesesteak place. The very best is closed or something. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Jimmy got the cheesesteak. So we went from eating cheesesteaks to go get Swedish candy. Woohoo! I'm gonna see, maybe we get something else too. Don't really need anything, just candy, candy, candy! Don't really need that much at IKEA, but we're gonna look for a cheaper rug, because the one we have at home is getting kind of gross. I'm getting like napkins and hangers and stuff like that. Nothing too fun. So now we are in heaven. They got marble. You can get that for Jimmy. Ooh, they have the dime too. Oh, yummy. This doesn't look so very good, but in Sweden this is the best. That's some cookies. That was a very disappointing selection of Swedish food and candy. I didn't even get licorice. We're done. We bought a bunch of stuff, like always. Now we have 2 hours and 43 minutes, it says, to drive home. We are home. It took us a little bit longer to drive home, maybe 2 hours, 45, almost 3 hours. yeah, I think we're not gonna do much more this weekend. We've been pretty busy. Actually, we haven't been that busy, but it's been hot. It feels busy. I'm gonna wrap it up. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Until the next time, have an awesome day.